Hey, top of the morning, everyone. Today is the day finally. We've got some beautiful weather here in Georgia. The excavator, track loader is here with the concrete buster on it. We're getting a new driveway today. So can't look forward to this. It's been a 2-day project. And so today will be tear out and forming up. Changing things a little bit different. They're not only doing the driveway, they're also doing the sidewalk. And I'm going to put some drains underneath the driveway out here to stop some of that wash. The county, when they recrowned this road, they crowned it differently than when we first moved in here, and all that water comes off of it down through my side yard and across my driveway, bringing dirt with it. So we're changing that up a little bit. And let's flip the camera around. All right, so we're also going to be making this curve a little bit sharper. All right, as you see, kind of just painted that real quick so they get an idea. That has all been gravel. It was grass when we moved in here, but with all the boys parking and other stuff parking, I put gravel down there years ago. So we're gonna concrete all of this, okay, including up to the house, along the side of the fence. I'm gonna do away with those bushes. If they need to save a little bit of spot there for something, that's fine. I can put some little low shrubbery there, but this is going to get a trench drain in the middle. We're going to do a 24 by 24 footers just for the corner. We're going to put a carport here, and that will be on the next project. But we're going to get this concrete in. This is our 4th attempt trying to get this, but you can see it's some pretty shoddy concrete that's been here. All the aggregates here, low spots here, always collects water. It takes days for it to drain. I'm tired of it. So, but anyway. So guys, yeah, top of the morning, dumpsters dumped out here. Thought it was Raina's car this morning. I heard it crank up, but it was actually about 6:45. They were dropping the dumpster. They got that. When they bust the concrete up, they'll put it in there. But I got up about 7 o'clock, I guess it was, 6:50. To get the last few things moved off the driveway. Had the trash can and my whiskey barrel that sits like right here. But excavators here, they dropped that last night, and they said they will be here around 8:30 this morning to start ripping this stuff out. The only problem is I will not be able to get Stella out for a week. She's going to be held up in the garage, and the truck is parked up on the hill. Raina's car is parked. I don't know if you can even see it down there. It's down past the vineyard. So anyway, you gotta do what you gotta do. So stay tuned. I'll keep you updated how this is going. Day 1 tear out, day 2 pour tomorrow. So anyway, excited about this, and we'll see you on the next update. See ya. Guys are hard at work. They've been at it for 3.5 hours. They've got it almost all tore up. The sidewalk is a beast. Still have that to do. All right, guys, update. It is about 7:30. And we're still here. So I thought a 24 by 24 carport was going to fit here, but it will not. So I've measured out. This is 20, 20, 20, and 20. So I think a 20 by 20 is going to be fitting us better. They still got to form this to the house, tie that in, and yeah, not quite sure what I'll do with that gate. I'll raise it up if that is where the concrete's at. I don't think it will be, but we will see. Anyway, their hydraulic concrete breaker on the front attachment of the track loader broke a line. So they had to finish about the last 20 feet with a hand jackhammer. So we're working hard and trying to get things buttoned up for a pour tomorrow. So yeah, so far so good. I'm impressed with their attention to detail. So. We're gonna put footers. You can see the one white square right there. The other one's way down there. We'll dig 12 by 12 footers, 20 foot by 20 foot by 20 foot. Thought 24 would fit, but it's not. That'll leave me a walkway of about 3 feet down the left side. So we'll do that for the carport. And we're tying in a trench drain down the middle of the carport area to tie into the drain that he's actually busting up right now. So anyway, more update, guys. So guys, it's about 8:45 on Thursday evening, and these guys have been going since 8:30 this morning. So still here, still finishing up a few things. They ran into an issue up here when the hydraulic concrete jackhammer broke a line. So they had to finish the last probably 30 feet with a hand jackhammer, which slowed them down a lot. Two of the guys left to go finish a pour that happened at 2. So they're back. And again, like I said, it's around 8:30 and they're still here. So let me spin the camera around. Let me show you what they've done. All right, so that's gonna be the approach into the garage. Again, once all this is done, all the flooring gets redone again. So, and then I'm kind of at a standstill because all this has got to come out for at least 24 hours once this cures for a week. So the deal is we are leaving on the 8th to go on vacation down to Exuma for a week. So it'll give it plenty of time to cure. But what I'm looking at, I thought of 24 by 24, but it's going to be a 20 by 20. So 12 by 12 footer there, one there, 103 inches off the house because that's a straight line. And then 103 inches here. Trench drain will run middle here and tie in to what he's digging up. I had a drain right there at the gate. So it appears, if you can see, I want to get rid of that gate anyway. I'm gonna put more of a see-through type, like ranch style 4 picket type gate or fence there. So you can see into the outdoor kitchen, pizza oven, all that kind of good stuff, bar stools, and maybe a fire pit here in the middle, kind of where that saw is. But anyway, this is going to be a 20 by 20 carport. Like I said, I originally thought 24 by 24. It's just not doable because I want to keep about a 3-foot walkway down this side because they're going to hook it back around to the house, and trash cans will be back behind the bushes. So, and then I'll re-landscape this. We're going to bury drains across the driveway, like I said. And they're still working on the front sidewalk. I've never seen the sidewalk so thick and uneven. Very thin concrete in areas, very thick in areas. So they're still working on that. I did bury a drain for them. But yeah, that's where they're at there. Trying to get this spread out, and they'll tie that into the house. Put the left former board on, and then finish this out. And then it'll have to tie in at the garage. So that's where we're at. All right, so back out here at the road, they have made a cut to make a good dividing line. And so they just got to pop that up, finish this grade, put the form boards up, and that'll be done. But you can see that is the 3rd dumpster concrete. Can only imagine what that weighs. I wish I had a place that I could use that, but I don't. So there it goes. Anyway, the road's a mess. I'm gonna have to get out here and blow it when they leave, so the neighbors don't complain. As you can see, but I think it's going to be a nice addition to the house for videos and all that kind of good stuff. So stay tuned, they're pouring tomorrow. All right.